This is the Insta360 X3, and in this video we're going to show you how to get a really cool parallel planet.
So the first thing we do is attach the X3 to the Invisible Selfie Stick. Then we're going to attach a tripod. Extend the Invisible Selfie Stick. We're going to hit record. Stand 2 meters away from the camera and then walk or run around in a circle. Do at least 2 loops round so that the AI has plenty to work with. Once we've done 2 loops, we're going to stop recording and jump into the Insta360 app. Once in the app, we're going to tap Stories, scroll down to Parallel Planet, we're going to tap that, and then we're going to tap Use This Theme. Next, we're going to select the clip we just recorded and tap Selected. And now the app will detect and track the subject and create the effect. Once it's finished, it'll give you a preview. And if you're happy with that, go up to the export icon in the top right, tap that, and tap Export, and that will export to your phone album. And the end result looks like this.
So if you want to grab an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery.
And if you buy using our link, you get an Invisible Selfie Stick for free.
Totally free. Thanks for watching.
See you
next time.
Bye.